Thanks for reminding me. Okay, so what we got was first a minus 3, a square plus 3a plus
plus 9.
Okay, coming back to this. Yes. Now let us go for this thing. Okay.
Yes.
5a square minus 16a plus 3. Okay. What to do?
So we have to multiply the first and the last
Okay.
number.
So what is 5 into 3?
15.
15. Okay. So what is the last sign?
Plus.
So should we add and get 16 or should we subtract and get 16?
Add and get.
Sorry?
Add and get 16.
So what the first factor should we use here?
1 15
What is this addition?
16.
So is it working?
Yes.
Okay. So I'll write 5a square. Then what to write?
1a
1a,
15a
15a.
plus 3.
Okay. Now did we add and get 16 or did we subtract and get 16?
Add and get.
So signs are same or different?
Same.
What sign?
Minus.
So minus, minus. So I'll write 5a square as 5 into a into a minus
1 into
1
a.
into a. Minus, how to write 15? See here there is 3. So
3
what to get?
into 5.
Very good. 3 into 5 into a plus 3. What is common here?
A.
If a is common and I take a outside, what remains?
5 minus 1.
5 minus 1.
Yes.
Look at it carefully.
5a minus 1.
What about here? What is common?
3.
3. What to write outside?
Minus 3.
So inside I'll write 5a plus 1 or 5a minus 1.
5a minus 1.
Because minus went outside, the middle sign changed.
Changes.
So what to write finally?
5a minus 1. A minus 3.
Okay, perfect. Fine. Okay. Wait. A minus 3 and 5a minus 1. Okay, now I'll pick someone else. Amberlin, thanks for helping. Okay, let me see who all are. Okay, let's try Nishita.
Yes,
Hello,
sir.
Nishita. Uh, just a second. Okay. Next, Nishita, we'll be using this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So tell me this, does it look like a square minus b square, a cube plus b cube, or a cube minus b cube?
A cube minus b cube.
Where can you see?
No, a square minus b square.
But for this should be whole square. Is 25 a square?
Yes. 5.
So can I write 5a square
Yes.
minus 1 किसका square है?
1.
So can I write 1 square?
Yes.
So now it looks like a square minus b square. So what is the formula?
Is a plus b. Then no, a minus b in the other bracket, a square
No, that is
plus
you're telling me for cubes. What you said earlier was correct. A square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b.
a plus b, a minus b.
So now if it is 5a square minus 1 square, what to write here?
5a 5a plus 1, 5a minus 1.
Okay, perfect. Okay, again I'll write it
Yes.
here. Okay, continue Nishita. Now we have to do the last part.
Yes, sir.
A square plus 3a plus 9. So what is the first step?
We have to multiply the first and the last number.
So what is 1 into 9?
9.
9 ka such factors. Wait, let me just check if I've copied the question correctly. Yes, it's correct. Okay, so what is the last sign?
Plus.
So should I add and get 3 or should I subtract and get 3?
We should add and get 3.
Okay, so what are the factors?
1 9 जा
Addition kitna hai?
10.
Okay, then
3 3 जा
addition kitna hai?
6.
Any other factors?
No.
So basically this, what I'm noticing is cannot get factorized.
Yes.
So I'll leave it as it is.
Okay.
So I'll write it over here as, wait, a square
A
plus
square
3a plus 9.
plus 9.
Can you see anything getting cancelled?
A minus 3 and a minus 3.
Anything else?
5a minus 1.
Anything else?
A square plus 3a plus 9.
What is the final answer?
5a plus 1.
Okay. Easy or difficult?
Easy.
Okay, great. Thank you, Nishita.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, everyone, one last sum is remaining now. So let us quickly get done with that. Okay, I'm writing the question now. Eighth sum is 1 minus 2x plus x square upon 1 minus x cube into 1 plus x square upon 1 plus x. Okay. Okay. Let me see some new people raising their hands. I'm always picking the same 3 or 4 people, so they'll only learn a lot. Everyone else who doesn't answer will find it difficult later. Okay. So yes, Shreya. I cannot unmute Shreya.
Hello.
Yes, Shreya. Let us try to solve this question.
Yes, sir.
Okay. First, let us start with this one. Now, there is a problem with the order. Can you see what is the problem with the order?
Yes, it is x and x squared.
Basically, the order you should write it x square should come first, then x
First,
term,
and
then
x.
number. So can you tell me what should be the
Yes.
correct order of writing it?
Yes, 1 minus.
This is the, don't tell me the same order. Tell me in such a way that x square is first, then x term, then number.
X.
So what should be the first thing we write?
Okay. X square. 1 x square.
One बोलने का जरूरत नहीं x square
X.
बोल.
No, x square. X square.
Then
Plus 2x.
ये plus 2x है या minus 2x है?
Sorry, minus 2x.
Then
Plus 1.
plus 1. Okay. How do you suggest we solve this question? 3 terms है ना वही. We have done this in
A square minus B square. Hello.
we have done just now. We did these 3 terms wale sum. No, you forgot the steps. You have to multiply the first and the last number.
Sorry. We have to multiply the first and the last number.
What is the first number?
1.
There is some background noise.
X square.
The number,
X.
not x square नहीं. Number क्या है इधर?
1 1.
यहाँ पे
Hello. 1.
Hello. What is the number
Hello.
here?
Yes, sir. 1. 1.
So what is
Plus
1 into 1?
1.
1. 1 का factors क्या है?
So 1 into 1.
1 into 1.
Yes.
Last sign क्या है?
Plus.
तो दोनों को add करके 2 आना चाहिए, subtract करके 2 आना चाहिए.
Add.
So is 1 plus 1 is it 2?
Yes, sir.
I'll write x square.
X
आगे
square.
क्या लिखूं?
In the last one. Plus 1.
Last one plus 1. Middle
And 1x plus 2. 1x.
1x. दोनों को add करके 2 आया, subtract करके.
Add करके.
तो दोनों का
Both the
sign
signs are
same
same.
है, same.
Same.
And what is the sign?
Minus.
Minus. Very good. So minus. Now if I want to take common, I'll write x square as x into x.
X into x minus
Minus
1
1 into
into
x.
x.
Minus 1
Minus 1
into
into
x.
x. Plus 1.
Plus 1. क्या common है दोनों में?
X.
x. तो अगर x बाहर आएगा तो अंदर क्या बचेगा?
X minus 1.
What is common here?
1.
1. बाहर क्या लिखूं?
Minus 1.
अंदर
X
क्या बचेगा?
plus.
x plus 1 लिखूं
X
या
plus
minus 1
1.
लिखूं?
X minus 1.
Why minus? Plus है ना इधर?
Because, but outside there is minus.
हाँ, minus जाता है तो middle sign change होता है. Change plus change होके क्या बनेगा?
Minus.
तो minus 1 आएगा. समझा यहाँ तक?
Minus 1. Yes, sir.
So if I take x minus 1 out, these two have
X.
gone out. तो क्या बच रहा है?
X minus 1.
X minus 1. You understood this?
Yes.
Okay, let me write it here. The first thing that we have written is x minus 1, x minus 1.
X minus 1.
Okay. Let me erase the part. Okay, next let me work on the denominator now. Okay, so here tell me this one now. This one, does it remind you of a square plus b square? A square, sorry, this is not a formula. A square minus b square, a cube plus b cube,
A,
और a cube minus b cube. तीनों में से कौन सा लग रहा है?
A cube minus B cube.
ओके, बट उसके लिए ये भी क्यूब होना चाहिए. वन किसी का क्यूब है क्या?
हाँ.
किसका क्यूब है?
So 1.
So can I write it as 1 cube minus x cube?
1. Yes, sir.
Can you tell me the formula of a cube minus b cube?
Yes. A minus B, A square plus AB plus B square.
Okay, तो इधर क्या लिखेंगे?
1 minus x 1 square plus 1 plus 1 x plus 1 into x plus x square.
Okay, तो नेक्स्ट स्टेप में 1 minus x लिख देते हैं. इसका क्या होगा? What is 1 square?
1.
What is 1 into x?
1x.
Or x?
X.
And what is x square?
X square.
X square. So you understood 1 minus x, 1 plus x square.
Yes.
समझा यहाँ तक?
हाँ, yes.
Okay, let's move on to the second fraction now. Okay, let's work with this one. Okay.
Yes.
One. Acha. Again, this is not in the correct order.
We have to multiply the first and no. First we have to write x square, x square plus x plus 1.
Okay. Then you said multiply first and last.
Multiply. Yes.
So that is 1 into 1. What is 1 into 1? 1.
1.
What are the factors of 1?
1. 1 into 1. 1.
अच्छा, लास्ट साइन क्या है?
Plus.
तो ऐड करके 1 आना चाहिए या सब्ट्रैक्ट करके 1 आना चाहिए?
Sir, but we subtract, then the answer will be 0.
नहीं, लास्ट साइन देखेंगे तो पता चलेगा. If the last sign is plus, should we add or should we subtract?
We should add.
So 1 plus 1, is it giving me middle 1?
No, sir.
1 का और कोई फैक्टर्स है क्या 1 देने के लिए? नहीं है ना?
No.
So can I say this is in the previous sum also it was not getting factorized, here also this is not getting factorized. So मैं इसको वैसे ही छोड़ दूंगा.
No, sir.
When it's not getting factorized, then leave it as it is. So I'll get 1 plus x plus x square. अच्छा, और लास्ट वाला चीज देखो, ये वाला. Does this remind you of any formula? देखो फॉर्मूला 2 टर्म्स है तो क्या क्या हो सकता है? आइदर स्क्वायर होना चाहिए, क्यूब होना चाहिए. इधर कुछ भी है क्या?
No.
So I'll have to leave it as it is. There is no square, there is no cube. So I'll leave it
As it is, okay.
as it is. So I'll write 1 plus x.
1 plus x.
Okay, now tell me what all is getting cancelled.
Just a second. X minus 1. X minus 1.
X minus 1, but नीचे 1 minus x है. अलग है ना? 5 minus 4 and 4 minus 5 अलग होता है. तो there is one way of making them same. इन दोनों में से माइनस कॉमन निकालो. सिर्फ माइनस को अगर मैं कॉमन निकालता हूँ ना, सी I'll write x minus 1, x minus 1 upon if I write minus outside, then middle sign will change, no? Both the signs will change. तो 1 माइनस एक्स का x माइनस 1 हो जाएगा।
हाँ
समझा आपको लॉजिक? a माइनस बी को अगर मुझे b माइनस a बनाना
बी
है
माइनस
तो क्या करना
हाँ
चाहिए? बाहर क्या लिखना चाहिए?
माइनस
लॉजिक समझाइए।
हाँ ये सर
तो 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर है इंटू
हाँ
1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर है अपॉन 1
वन
प्लस एक्स है। नाउ कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट ऑल विल गेट कैंसिल्ड?
हाँ एक्स माइनस वन
x माइनस 1
एंड वन प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर
और कुछ?
दैट्स इट
अब ये माइनस है
नो
ना, हम
सर
लोग ऊपर लिखेंगे। हाँ, तो व्हेन आई राइट माइनस ऑन टॉप आई विल गेट
हाँ
x माइनस 1 and 1 plus
एक्स
x.
माइनस वन एक्स वन प्लस एक्स
You understood this?
यस सर
Any confusing part?
नो
Okay, fine.
थैंक यू
Thank you,
सर
Shreya. Yes, students, I hope you all have understood the part till here. Okay, and this brings us to the end of the chapter. And okay, and you all can come to your seventh chapter now. Come to the seventh chapter. One minus x and 1 plus x is the same thing. Okay, let me just check. Hello, Amberlin, I think you have a doubt.
Yes, sir. Can you go to the white screen that you had written?
Hmm.
Sir, why have you put minus? I didn't understand that.
Why have I put what?
Minus.
Here, see, if you notice here, x minus 1 is there and here 1 minus x is there.
Yes.
So in such a case, I cannot cancel them. See, a plus b and b plus a mean the same thing. Whether I do 5 plus 4 or 4 plus 5, answer is same.
Yes.
But when I subtract, the answers are different. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 and 4 minus 5 is equal to minus 1.
Yes.
So here, I cannot cancel both of them unless they are exactly same. दोनों x minus 1 होना चाहिए या दोनों 1 minus x होना चाहिए.
Okay, sir, I understood that, but in the final answer you have written minus.
Yeah, because minus did not get cancelled. No, that was outside. X minus 1 got cancelled. This minus
Okay,
remained outside. Also, पीछे का answer it shows is that again if I open this bracket,
yes.
what will happen? देखो, if a minus b is minus of this, then ulta भी true है ना? If minus goes inside, do you agree both the signs will change?
Yes.
Like if I take minus inside now, do you agree it will become 1 minus x now?
Yes.
So that is why the final answer is actually this. So now the minus is also gone.
Yes.
So did you understand how the minus disappeared?
Yes, sir.
Pakka.
Yes.
So in a
Thank
question, if you have let's say p minus q, and if you want to make it q minus p, what do you do?
You put minus q minus p.
Minus outside and q minus p.
Yes.
Minus outside the bracket.
Yes.
Fine.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Okay. I hope students' ka doubts are cleared over here. Okay. Okay. Once Raina ma'am enters the class, then we'll stop today's lecture. Okay, but right now let's start with a new chapter. Wait. Yes. The new chapter is called variation. Okay. Variation basically means change. So change, basically, I'm talking about, let's say, two things. Let me think of an example. Okay. Let us say I'm discussing an example where X is how much time you study and Y is how much marks you are getting. Okay. Again, I'm repeating. X means the time you give to studies daily, and Y means uh, how much marks you're getting. So tell me, if I give every day 2 hours to studies, I'll get some marks. But let us say now every day I start giving 3 hours to studies. I want to see the answer in message. Should the time increase? Sorry, should the marks that you score increase in a test or should it decrease? Okay, I can see everyone is saying it is increasing. Correct? It's the same logic. Let me say now you start studying only half an hour every day. So you reduce. So if from here I'm reducing the time, will my marks increase or will it decrease now? Okay. So most people are answering decrease. So that means when I see that when I increase X, even Y is increasing only. How much more time I study, that much more marks I'll get. If I decrease X, if I decrease the time of studies, even my marks will decrease. Correct? So this relation between them is called as direct variation, and we show it with this symbol. I'm not saying both are equal. See, I'm not putting the symbol of equal in between. I'm not saying अगर मैं 2 hours पढ़ूंगा तो मुझे equal to 2 marks मिलेगा. This is wrong. I'm saying कि अगर मैं 2 hours पढ़ूंगा then I might get 35 out of 40. But if I study for 3 hours, I might get 40 on 40. Correct, no? So they are not equal, but they both are increasing or decreasing. So one more time, I want everyone to tell me by message if both are increasing or both are decreasing together. So that is what variation? Yes, Advika has message. Don't message me, yes. Message me the answer. Correct, Nishita, correct. And this type of variation we are going to be studying. Okay. Fine. I hope you all have understood the basics of variation. Next time we'll be discussing the sums on that. Hello. I think Raina ma'am has entered, right? Hello.
Sir, yeah.
Ma'am. Will you be continuing the lecture now?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, just give me a minute. Hello. Yes, ma'am. I've made you the host now. You can continue the lecture. Students, I would suggest that whatever sums we have discussed today, make sure to practice it. I'll see you all next Wednesday now. Okay. Okay. See you all.
Good evening, students. We were studying about Europe and India last time. And okay, one second.